If one morning you find yourself looking in the mirror and asking, "What have I lost?" Please know this, you are not alone. Many men over the age of 60 begin to notice subtle yet profound changes. Their energy seems to slowly fade, physical strength isn't what it used to be, and intimacy, something that once came naturally in a loving relationship, now feels like a distant memory. This change is not your fault. It is the result of a natural biological process, as blood flow within the body gradually begins to decline. And that impacts everything from heart health to sleep quality, mental focus, and even the ability to emotionally connect with your partner. The good news is that there are still simple, safe, and completely natural ways to support and restore this vital circulation. With just a few small adjustments, starting with timely awareness, your body can begin to regain its vitality, not through strong medications, but through knowledge and the right actions. If what I've shared here speaks to you, feel free to leave a comment below. How are you feeling? What concerns you most about your health at this stage of life? Your words could be a quiet encouragement to someone else and might just be the beginning of the change you have been searching for. In the world of natural medicine, few would expect that a simple ingredient like baking soda, often tucked away in the corner of a kitchen cabinet, could play a key role in supporting blood circulation, improving heart health, and rekindling the physical connection that many have lost after turning 60. To understand how baking soda works, we first need to recognize a lesser-known biological fact. The pH level of the blood and the body's ability to dilate blood vessels are closely linked to overall health, especially in older adults. After age 60, the body's acid-base regulation system becomes less efficient. Several factors such as a diet high in processed foods, chronic stress, lack of physical activity, and dehydration gradually push the body into a mildly acidic state. When the blood becomes more acidic, blood vessels tend to stiffen, constrict, and most importantly, the body produces less nitric oxide, NO, a molecule essential for relaxing and widening blood vessels to ensure healthy circulation. This is where baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, comes into play. When dissolved in water and taken properly, baking soda helps neutralize excess acid in the blood, gently shifting the body toward a more naturally alkaline state. This creates the ideal internal environment for blood vessels to relax, blood flow to increase, and nitric oxide to be produced more efficiently. Improving blood circulation isn't just about feeling more energetic. It directly impacts memory, sleep quality, body temperature in the hands and feet, and most notably, the ability to respond physically and maintain intimacy in a relationship. Many men over 60 who once felt tired, sluggish, and disconnected have reported noticeable improvements after consistently drinking baking soda properly in the morning. Of course, this is not a miracle cure. Baking soda doesn't treat disease, but it does help restore a healthier internal balance, allowing the body's natural self-regulation mechanisms to function more like they did in younger years. If you've ever felt like you're slowing down, it might not be a sign of aging, but rather your body quietly waiting for the right kind of support. Have you ever tried baking soda, or are you still considering it? Although baking soda is a familiar ingredient in most kitchens, using it correctly is essential to fully unlock its potential benefits, especially for supporting blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and improving heart health and male vitality after age 60. Like any natural remedy, true effectiveness comes from precision in dosage, timing, and method of use. Dosage matters. Experts recommend using no more than 1/4 teaspoon of pure, food-grade baking soda. It is absolutely important to avoid any brands that contain additives such as anti-caking agents or aluminum ingredients that, over time, can stress the digestive system and kidneys. Don't let the word natural fool you into thinking more is better. Higher doses do not increase the benefits. They can lead to unwanted effects such as increased blood pressure or stomach discomfort. As for preparation, dissolve the baking soda in about 8 ounces of filtered water, approximately 240 milliliters, at room temperature. Avoid using very cold or very hot water, as it may affect how well the baking soda dissolves and functions in the body. Stir thoroughly until it is completely dissolved and drink it slowly, in small sips. Avoid gulping it down too quickly. The best time to take baking soda is in the morning, on an empty stomach, right after waking up, before breakfast, and even before your first cup of coffee. This is when the body tends to be more acidic due to overnight metabolism, making it the ideal moment for baking soda to gently alkalize your system, allowing better blood vessel relaxation and nitric oxide production. Frequency is also key. Baking soda should not be taken every day like a multivitamin. The most effective and safest approach is to drink it 3 to 4 times per week on non-consecutive days. This gives the body enough time to respond, adjust naturally, and maintain internal balance without overburdening the kidneys or circulatory system. If you want to enhance the effect, you may optionally add a slice of fresh lemon, which can help with absorption, or a pinch of natural mineral salt to support electrolyte balance, though these additions are not necessary. Remember, baking soda is not a shortcut or quick fix. It is a gentle, consistent internal care habit, with results that build gradually over time. If you're just starting to try it, pay close attention to how your body responds one small step at a time. On the journey toward restoring health through natural methods, baking soda stands out as a valuable option, simple, accessible, and, when used correctly, an effective aid in improving blood flow, vascular flexibility, and male vitality after age 60. However, like any therapeutic approach, these benefits can only be sustained if you avoid the common mistakes that many people make when using baking soda. One of the most frequent errors is assuming that more is better. After experiencing a few positive effects, some people quickly increase the dosage from 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 or even a full teaspoon, hoping for faster results. In reality, taking too much does not enhance the benefits. It can lead to side effects, such as bloating, hypernatremia, excess sodium in the blood, elevated blood pressure, and increased strain on the kidneys. This is especially risky for older adults who may already have underlying kidney issues. Another common mistake is using baking soda daily without giving the body time to rest. While baking soda is natural, taking it continuously can disrupt the body's acid-alkaline regulation system. Forcing the body into an overly alkaline state may lead to internal imbalance, a key factor in long-term health. Experts consistently recommend using baking soda only 3 to 4 times per week, with rest days in between. Choosing the wrong type of baking soda is also a frequent oversight. Some people purchase low-cost industrial-grade baking soda, or the kind used for deodorizing refrigerators, without checking for the food-grade label. These non-purified products may contain additives that are not suitable for ingestion, and, if consumed regularly, could negatively impact the digestive and cardiovascular systems. Most importantly, never start using baking soda without consulting your doctor, especially if you have existing conditions such as high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on a low-sodium diet. Although baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, not the same as table salt, it still affects your body's electrolyte balance. If taken improperly, it can influence blood pressure or increase fluid retention. In the end, always remember this. Baking soda is not a medicine, but a supportive tool. Its real strength lies in how thoughtfully and precisely it's used. Sometimes, to change the entire course of your health, you don't need to start with something grand. A small step, taken at the right time and in the right way, can lead to profound transformation, especially after age 60, when every positive change tends to multiply over time. And that small step might begin as simply as a glass of warm water with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in the morning. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines. When you drink baking soda right after waking on an empty stomach, when the body leans slightly toward acidity, you're giving yourself an optimal chance to gently balance your internal environment, stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and support the natural production of nitric oxide, a vital compound that helps blood vessels relax, allowing blood to flow smoothly to the heart, brain, and other important areas. However, the key lies not in the dose or speed, but in consistency and patience. You don't need to take it daily. Just 3-4 times a week, on alternating mornings, is enough for the body to absorb, respond, and naturally recalibrate its internal rhythm. And if you like to enhance the benefits, you can add a slice of fresh lemon or a pinch of natural mineral salt. Though even without additions, baking soda alone has the quiet strength to revive energy that once felt forgotten. Most importantly, don't think of this as a trick or a quick fix. This is an act of internal care, subtle, gentle, yet deeply powerful. Your body doesn't need to be forced. It only needs the right conditions to self-correct and heal. So why not start tomorrow? Just one glass of warm water, a few minutes in the morning, and a willingness to listen to your body. Age is not the end of vitality, closeness, or joy. It's often after 60 that you truly gain the opportunity to tune in, care deeply, and rediscover parts of yourself you thought were gone. Even with a simple change, like using baking soda the right way, you can restore energy flow, improve circulation, enhance alertness, and reignite emotional and physical connection in your relationships. You don't need a lot. Just one step, done with knowledge, patience, and self-love, may be enough to begin writing a new chapter in your health and your spirit. If what you've read today sparked something in you, a thought, a motivation, or even a small sense of hope, feel free to share your feelings or story below. Who knows? Your words might be the catalyst that inspires someone somewhere to begin their own journey of renewal just like you. You're not late. You're just getting started.